Welcome back, class. Hello, Mr. Bear. Hello, Miss Kangaroo. Hello, you out there. For math today, we're going to be talking about sticks and bundles and working together to figure out some three-digit numbers. Also, finding ways to add double-digit numbers. So I'd like you to take a look at this bin here. Lots of sticks are in here. How can we figure out the total amount? Let's first predict. Can you make a guess of how many craft sticks are in here? Yes, Bear. His hand is always up. What do you think we should do to figure it out? Maybe count by tens and eyeball it? Okay, make your prediction at home. So we are going to figure out how many there are in all. And we're going to do that. If you are in class, I'd be giving you a handful of sticks. And you are going to bundle them together in sets of 10. Okay, and then leaving the leftovers as just ones. Okay. So imagine you're doing that at home, or if you have toothpicks, this could be a good activity to do with toothpicks at home. Just take up that whole box of toothpicks or take a big handful and then start bundling them together or sorting them into little piles of 10. Okay, Mr. Bear and Miss Kangaroo, can you put your bundles and sticks in the middle of our circle and we're going to count them together as a class? Thank you. So let's figure out what we should do first to count these. What would make the most sense? Yes, Bear? Count by tens first. Let's do that. All right, I'll put the extra ones down. We're going to count by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now let's count the ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Okay, two more friends are going to add their bundles and sticks to the pile, the class pile. And our friends over here had 2 bundles and 5 sticks. So we're going to add that to our number that we had before, which was 57. We're going to count on from 57. And we're going to start with the tens. 67, 77, now by ones, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. Okay, and our last friends had 1 bundle and 8 sticks to add to the class pile. Is there a way that we could add to 82 to make a friendly number to figure out our total? Yes, we should add the 8 sticks first. To get from 82 plus 8 would give us 90. So I'm going to add the sticks first, the 1. So I'm at 90. I add my last 10, and we have a total of 100. Well done, class. Now let's go back to our prediction, or your prediction. We're already at 100, and this is what we have so far. This is what's still left in the bin. Would you like to change your prediction? Maybe you guessed way too low, or maybe you guessed way too high. This is how many we still have left. It's quite a bit. Probably several hundred in there, hey? Okay, if you haven't already done so at home or at your desk, you can go ahead and bundle your tens and count by tens until you get a set of 100. And see if you have a rubber band or a hair tie or something that can bundle those into a big bundle of 100. This is what we're at when we left. We had 100. Okay, bundle, bundle. Brrr, they're super fast here. You can pause it and start when you're ready. So here's what we have left in our bin. Count with me. 100, 200, 300. We had 300. And how many tens did we have? Here we go. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We had 9 tens. There, you hold those, Mr. Bear. 3 hundreds, 9 tens, and then we had some leftovers of our sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we had, you hold those, Miss Kangaroo. 396 to add to the 100 that we already had, for a total of 496 craft sticks in the bin. If you estimated 500, wow, you were so close. Okay, we're going to move on to an adding activity that's called Sticks and Bundles. All right, class, I need to get 42. Can you get me 42? Let's make sure we have 42 at home. 10, 20, 30, 40, 42. Okay, here's my 42. I'm going to write it on the board. Now, can I get 25? Can I get 25, please? 10, 20. 5 extra, that is 25. All right, I'll add those here. We're going to be adding 2-digit numbers. We started with 42, and we're going to add 25. You can go ahead and do this at home too, please. See if you can figure out the answer on your own. At this point, I would ask my friends in class how you figured out your answer. And you at home, I'd love to hear your strategy for how you figured it out. You could write on the side what you did first. Perhaps you added the tens first and then the ones. I'm curious how you attempted to do it at home. So I'm going to introduce you to a strategy. It's called the splitting strategy. And we're going to split it into the tens and the ones. Okay. So first, I'm going to split 42 into the tens. There are 4 of them, remember? So that is 40. So I represent that here. And there were 2 ones. So I'm going to do a 2, and I'll draw a square around it. Is that correct? 42 is 40 and 2 more. And let's do the same with 25. Split the 25. How many tens were there? 2 tens, and that number is 20. And the leftover ones were 5. Do you agree with that? Okay. So now we're going to add the tens together. What's 40 plus 20? 40, 50, 60, correct? And now I will add the ones. What is 2 plus 5? 5, 6, 7. I'm at 60 plus 7, class. 60 plus 7 equals 67. Great job. We're going to do another one. All right, show me on your paper at home in class the splitting strategy for this one, 13 plus 36. We're going to split the 13 up into the 10s and the 1s. There is one group of 10, and there are 3 1s for that number. And split 36. There are 3 10s. 3 10s is 30, and 6 1s. Okay, now we're going to add the 10s together. 10 plus 30, or 30 plus 10, you can go either way, is 40. Now add the 1s. 3 plus 6. 7, 8, 9. 40 plus 9 equals 49. Do you see how it's so much easier to add that single digit on when it's a decade number of 40 or 30 or 60 or so on? It's much easier. Let's try one more. Okay, we're going to try to figure out one more together and with a little twist this time. 56 plus 43. And I have my bundles and sticks down below to help me at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 6 more makes 56. Now I'm going to cover those up. 56. You can't see those. Now, I could do the splitting strategy like before, which we can do. Split 56 into the 10s and the 1s. So 50 and 6 makes 56, just like our bundles and sticks. 43, split that up. 4 10s is 40. 3 1s is 3. Add the 10s together. 50 plus 40. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now add the 1s. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 90 plus 9 equals 99. That's a lot of 9s. Here's a different way. Some of you are starting to do this. You might see 56 and try counting on by 10s like you're on an open number line, like you've been used to counting on by 10s from any given number. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to start at 56 and I'm going to add my 10s. Count with me. 56, 66, 76, 86, 96, now my 1s, 96, 97, 98, 99. That is where that open number line of using the skips and the jumps will come in handy. I got the same number using that strategy. Nice job today, class. Mr. Bear, Miss Kangaroo. You did such nice work. Great problem solving. I'd like to challenge you to come up with your own 2-digit, double-digit addition problem at home. Make it whatever you want. 55 plus 44, 98 plus 10, whatever you would like to do. Show your work. Show how you're using that split strategy, or maybe even show me how you're doing the open number line from that first number. Try it both ways. Can't wait to see your work. And remember, you can do it. Keep working hard, boys and girls.